Hello everyone, first hope y'all fine and healthy. The part 1 of this video blew up, and thank you for the support. This is the part 2, with green screen video effects for YouTube. It's free to use, and no copyrights. Download link will be in description. Enjoy, and have fun. By the way, if you don't know how to edit green screen videos, I've made a tutorial. Link will be in the description. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked this video. I've put a lot of effort on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and leave a big like, comment down below, let me know if you liked this video and if you want part 3.